Hi, welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. I tried this a few months ago and it did not go so well. I felt so awkward doing it and I don't think it was that exciting, but I found it kind of fun last time, so I thought, why not give it another try? This week should be hopefully more exciting than the last time I did a vlog. I currently am just sitting in the parking lot at Best Buy. I'm on my lunch break from work and I had to pick up an external hard drive, which I would show you, but it's propping up my phone right now, because my computer storage is completely full. Like, it wouldn't even let me download a single document because it was maxed out. Videos take up a lot of space on computers and editing them, it was maxed out. So I can't edit any more videos until I get an external hard drive or do what I've been doing and just start deleting things off of it. Like videos I just like, that wasn't that good. I don't think I'll ever need this, because I like to keep them for reference, just, I don't know, just in case. But some of them did have to get let go. So like I said, I am on my lunch break and I'm debating on what I want to do. I kind of want to take a nap, kind of want to, don't park near me, oh God. Part of me wants to take a nap, part of me wants to go get more caffeine, and then part of me thinks I should go to the park because it's a really nice day out. It's really hot, which I love, so I thought I might as well take advantage of that while I have it before it turns to winter. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We don't have a ton of time, but I feel like at least a little bit of time outside away from being cooped up in an office would be nice, so I'm gonna go there. It is hot, but it is gorgeous outside. If I could work in nature every day, I would be so happy. Okay, so I didn't get to spend a ton of time at the park, but sure beats being in an office. Now I have to head back to work. But I'm glad I came here and, oh, there's two doggos coming. Anyway, gotta go back to work. Looking forward to enjoying this weather after work. Hey, so it is a new day. Thought I would pick up here, even though today I'm having a really tough time getting motivation. I'm gonna try and do some stuff to just like make little small progresses and have something to film. So I have a video that I've been editing. It was supposed to go up Tuesday, but because of lack of motivation, it's gonna go up either today, which is Friday, or tomorrow, which is Saturday. So I have some last minute editing that I have to do for that. So I think I'm gonna do that, and I'm very tempted to want and go and get fancy coffee because like I feel like fancy coffee is like gonna help me right now. Get that caffeine, get a fall flavor, and just like boost that serotonin. But the closest coffee place to me is like 15 minutes away. And I keep struggling with if driving half an hour, 15 minutes there, 15 minutes back, it just for coffee is like stupid. Like I'm spending money in gas to go buy like a $5 or $6 drink to come back home. But we're gonna try and do some editing, maybe eventually eat lunch, but cue the time lapse. I ended up making coffee instead of driving across town and spending money. I'm currently uploading my video and it's taking forever. It doesn't take a long time for me to transfer it to like a video format, but once it gets to YouTube, it takes literal hours to upload. And I don't know if that's my internet issue or if it's YouTube or what, but I hope I can even post it today because I don't know. I have to go pick up my prescription, and then tonight I'm going to be seeing some friends. So I'm gonna try and find some stuff to vlog. I've watched a lot of vlogs in my day, and I'm trying to think of everything they show. I just looked up and thought about this, and I'm just gonna show you my little fall decor that we have going on. I got these velvet pumpkins from Dollar Tree like a month ago when they first got the fall stuff, and I was like, I am not ready for fall, but these are gonna go away very soon. So we have the pumpkins, we have the little bird. Over here we have this fall looking fox, fall candle, apple and oak. It's all the decorations actually. Oh no! Look at this tragedy. He died. Last time I saw him, he was alive and well. What the heck? That's extremely sad. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely not the best at maintaining plants and remembering to take care of them, so I'm gonna go do that for the rest of my plans. Okay, so I've let my clean clothes in my room just pile up on my bed, and I finally need to put them away, so I'm gonna do that. I'm always finding masks inside my pockets. Okay, I'm trying to organize or reorganize my makeup, and I need some advice on how to organize this best. These are the containers I have, and I have like my highlighters, powders, and then typically this is bronzers, but I think they're all in my other bag. Primers down there, lip products, eyeshadow palettes, but then because they won't fit, I have all of my liquid highlighters in here along with my blushes, so like all of the face products are kind of separated from each other. And I have like single eyeshadows in here, and I just don't know how to organize these to make them look good. And also have it like cohesive where like all the highlighters are in one place, all the bronzers are in one place. Right now, everything's just scattered. So if you have any suggestions, I thought I would show this little project as well. So these walls used to be like the tan that the bathroom was. I started painting the top portion like up here white, and then I just got really tired of painting and stopped. So like up here it was white and the rest was like a light tan, and in the shade, in the darkness, like you couldn't exactly tell, but I mean in person you could. So I ended up finally taking everything out and painting the entire wall white, and then these shelves used to be light tan to match the walls, and I ended up taking them out and painting them like a matte black. So this is what it looks like now, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think the black was a much needed contrast for the bathroom because everything is just white, and I like how the black shelves look with the white baskets and then the black chalkboard little name tag thingies. Lots of bathroom storage and still plenty for more. Okay, so a few weeks ago, a brand contacted me and asked about sending me products to try out on camera for a video on YouTube. And I agreed, and I just got notification that the package was delivered. So let's do a little unboxing before I do that video. Oh. Obviously, I do not want to show my address, but here it is. Let's open this boy up. I get so excited when brands contact me to send me anything because like with such a small channel, I did not expect people to contact me ever. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, I have to show you this. This is amazing. I will take that out. This packaging, first of all, I'm already so excited. It looks like you get a little case here. There's their professional dip powder recycling system. Okay. So this brand is Double Dip, and it's obviously like nail dip powder stuff. And I've never done nail dip, but I am so excited to try this out. And they gave me like the whole kit, man. Even these. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much to Double Dip for sending these. I can't wait to try these out. I'm gonna obviously do like a full video on these, but I just thought it'd be cool to show for this little vlog all of the cool stuff. My nails are looking horrible right now, so I think it's like perfect timing. All right, I think I'm gonna finish off this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope somebody found this entertaining and it gets some views. I'm definitely still new to vlogging, so bear with me. But thank you for your support, and I will hopefully see you in my next video.